Hey guys, so manifold is off, and I'm going to CYLMO to deliver it so they can plane it. I'm also delivering my GoPros so they can film the process. I'm really thankful that they offered to do that, so that's gonna be good. So I'm just gonna pack it up and take it out, and then we are going to drive to CYLMO. So yeah, pack it up. Let's go. Manifold, lamp for the rear that has fallen off. It's going to be fixed on Thursday. Today's Tuesday. Yeah. So I live a bit outside of the city of Trondheim, but it's only a 15-minute drive into where CYLMO is located, so not that far, just a short drive. I'm hoping CYLMO has time to plane it today or tomorrow morning, so I can get it back during the afternoon tomorrow. And hopefully I can fix the broken bolts in the head today, get those removed. Yeah, so hopefully the manifold problem on the Defender is going to be fixed this week, and that's going to be a relief. Then I know I can go on trips without it squealing like crazy. So yeah, hoping I can fix it today or tomorrow. I have used CYLMO once before. It was a 250 motocross bike. I ran the piston too long, so there were pieces cracking off and shooting out and scratched the cylinder. So I got it to them and they fixed it, and it ran with no issues afterwards. So yeah, so I have just good experience, and I think I'm gonna have a good experience with this planing as well. So it's fun when you can go like to places that really know, like they're seriously working only on engines, rebuilding engines, fixing old ones, classical engines. So to have such places near to where I live is just golden. So I know I can just deliver it there and get it fixed.